Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Say English.
Hi, friends. Thank you for spending your time with us today.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ramo. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with slow, clear conversations.
Today's topic is perfect for this time of year. We're going to talk about your plans for 2026.
Yes, 2026 is very close, so this is the best moment to think about your goals and to learn how to talk about them in English.
Maybe you want to improve your English, change your job, travel, get healthy, or start a new hobby.
In English, there are different ways to talk about future plans. In this lesson, we'll show you how to use going to, planning to, hoping to, and more.
We'll also show you a full, natural conversation, and we'll give you practice time so you can speak out loud with us.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Just Say English. It really helps more learners find our lessons.
And stay until the end because we'll ask you a special question so you can write about your own 2026 plan in the comments.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's get started. So, Remo, 2026 is almost here. Do you have any plans for the new year?
Yes, I do. I want 2026 to be a really good year for me.
That sounds interesting. Tell us more. What are you planning to do?
First, I'm going to learn a new skill. I'm going to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar. Wow, that's great. I didn't know you were interested in music.
Yes, I've always wanted to play an instrument, but I never had time. In 2026, I'm finally going to do it.
That's a wonderful plan. Learning something new is always good. How are you going to learn? Will you take classes?
I'm planning to take online classes. There are many good guitar courses on YouTube and other websites. I'm going to practice every day for at least 30 minutes.
Every day? That's serious. I'm impressed.
That's the plan. We will see if I can do it.
I believe in you. Okay, what else? Do you have any other plans for 2026?
Yes, I also want to travel more. I'm hoping to visit at least 3 new countries next year.
3 countries? Where do you want to go?
I'm thinking about Switzerland, maybe Japan, and possibly New Zealand, but nothing is confirmed yet.
Those are amazing choices. Japan is beautiful. I went there 2 years ago and I loved it.
Really? You have to tell me about it later. What about you, Sophia? What are your plans for 2026?
I have quite a few plans. First, I'm going to focus on my health.
Your health? What do you mean exactly?
Right now, I only exercise once or twice a week. In 2026, I'm going to go to the gym at least 4 times a week.
4 times a week? That's a big goal.
I know, but I'm determined. I'm also planning to eat healthier, less fast food, more home-cooked meals.
That's a great plan. Healthy body, healthy mind.
Exactly. And there's more. I'm planning to read more books in 2026.
How many books are you planning to read?
I'm going to try to read at least 24 books. That's 2 books every month.
2 books a month. Nice. What kind of books do you like?
I love fiction, especially mystery and adventure, but I also want to read some self-improvement books to grow in 2026.
Self-improvement books are very popular now. Do you have any titles in mind?
Not yet. I'm going to make a list. I'm also thinking about joining a book club to stay motivated.
That's a smart idea. A book club will help you stay on track.
I hope so. Oh, and one more thing. I'm going to volunteer more.
Volunteer where?
I'm planning to volunteer at the local animal shelter. I love animals, and I want to help dogs and cats who need homes.
That's so kind. How often are you planning to volunteer?
Maybe twice a month on weekends. I'm going to check their schedule and sign up soon.
That sounds like a busy but very meaningful year.
Yes, I'm really excited about 2026, and I'm sure our viewers also have great plans.
Now it's your turn to think about your own plans. We'll ask you 3 simple questions. After each question, you can pause the video and answer out loud.
Question 1. What is one thing you are going to do in 2026?
Question 2, what are you planning to start next year?
Question 3. What are you hoping to do, but you're not sure yet?
Good job. If you actually said your answers out loud, you are already using real English.
Now, let's explain the grammar behind these phrases.
First, going to. We use going to when we have a strong, clear plan. We already decided.
For example, I'm going to learn guitar, and I'm going to go to the gym 4 times a week.
Repeat after us, slowly. I'm going to improve my English in 2026. And I'm going to save more money next year.
Next, planning to. We use planning to when we have a plan, but we are still organizing details. It's a plan in progress.
Examples: I'm planning to take online classes, and I'm planning to read more books.
Repeat after us. I'm planning to start a new hobby, and I'm planning to travel in the summer.
Then we have hoping to and want to. These show a dream, a wish, or something you really want. It may happen, but it's not 100% certain.
Examples: I'm hoping to visit Japan, and I want to get a better job.
Repeat after us. I'm hoping to pass my exam, and I want to spend more time with my family.
So remember, first is going to. Use when you have strong decision or you're confirmed.
Second is planning to. Use when you plan in progress.
Third is hoping to/want to. Use when you have wish or dream.
Let's practice with career and study plans.
Imagine someone asks you, "What are your career plans for 2026?"
I might say, I'm going to ask my boss for a promotion. I'm planning to take a professional course. I'm hoping to start my own small business in the future.
Good. Now, for study plans, especially English, I'm going to watch one English video every day. I'm planning to join an online English class. And I'm hoping to speak with native speakers this year.
Let's give our viewers a mini challenge. Think about your job or your studies. Say 3 sentences. First sentence is, I'm going to. Second sentence is, I'm planning to. And last, third sentence is, I'm hoping to.
Pause the video now and say them out loud. I'm going to, I'm planning to, I'm hoping to.
Now let's learn how to ask about future plans.
The most common question is, what are your plans for 2026?
You can also ask, do you have any plans for the new year?
Or more specific questions like, are you planning to travel next year? And are you going to start anything new in 2026?
Quick practice. I'll ask, you answer in your head or out loud. Do you have any travel plans for 2026?
Are you planning to change anything in your life next year?
Nice. You can replay this part and practice again later.
Many learners make similar mistakes when they talk about future plans. Let's fix them.
Mistake 1, using will instead of going to.
If you already decided your plan, it's better to say, I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow, not I will go to the gym tomorrow.
Will is usually for decisions at the moment or for predictions. For example, okay, I'll help you, or I think it will rain tomorrow.
Mistake 2, forgetting to after planning, hoping, want.
Wrong sentences, I'm planning learn guitar, and here's the right sentence, I'm planning to learn guitar.
Take another example. Wrong sentence is I want visit Japan, and right sentence is I want to visit Japan.
Mistake 3, wrong verb form after going to or planning to.
We always use the base form of the verb, not the ing form. Correct sentence is I'm going to study, and wrong sentence is I'm going to studying.
Take another example. Correct sentence is, I'm planning to travel. Wrong is, I'm planning to traveling.
If you say these sentences correctly many times, your brain will remember the pattern. Let's learn some helpful words you can use with your plans.
Word 1 is resolution. A resolution is a strong decision, especially at the start of a new year.
You can say, my New Year's resolution is to exercise more, or my resolution for 2026 is to save money.
Word 2 is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve. My goal is to learn English fluently. My goal for 2026 is to read 20 books.
Word 3 is aim. It's similar to goal. I aim to improve my speaking. I'm aiming to finish my course in June.
Word 4, intend. A little more formal. I intend to start my own business next year, or I intend to travel more in 2026.
Word 5, determined. Very serious and strong about your plan. I'm determined to lose weight, or I'm determined to pass my exam.
Word 6, considering. Thinking about something, not sure yet. I'm considering changing jobs, or I'm considering moving to another city.
And a very common phrase, looking forward to. It means you are excited about something in the future.
Remember, after looking forward to, we use the ing form. I'm looking forward to starting 2026. I'm looking forward to meeting new people. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Repeat a couple of these. I'm looking forward to 2026. I'm determined to improve my English.
Now let's show you a full, natural conversation about 2026 plans. Just listen first.
Ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Hey Ramo, happy almost 2026. I haven't seen you in weeks. How have you been?
Hi, Sophia. I've been great, thanks. Can you believe 2026 is almost here? Time flies.
I know, right? So, do you have any exciting plans for the new year?
Actually, yes. I'm really excited about 2026. I'm going to make some big changes.
Oh, really? Tell me more. What kind of changes?
First, I'm definitely going to travel more. I've already booked a trip to Thailand in February.
Thailand? That's amazing. How long are you going for?
2 weeks. I'm going to visit Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and some islands. I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds incredible. What else are you planning to do?
I'm also planning to take a photography course. I love taking photos, but I want to improve my skills.
Nice. Online or in person?
I'm thinking about an in-person class because I learn better that way. I'm hoping to find a good course near my home.
That sounds like a great plan. What about work? Any career plans?
I'm considering asking for a raise. I've been with my company for 3 years now, and I think it's time.
Good for you. You should definitely do that. You work hard.
Thanks. What about you? What are your plans for 2026?
I have a few goals. First, I'm going to focus on my health. I'm planning to join a gym and work out regularly.
How often are you planning to go?
I'm aiming for 3 times a week. I'm also going to try to eat healthier, more vegetables, less junk food.
That's a solid plan. Anything else?
Yes, I'm hoping to learn a new language. I'm thinking about Spanish or French.
Which one are you leaning towards?
I might start with Spanish because it's widely spoken. Plus, I'm hoping to visit Mexico, so it would be useful.
That makes sense. Sounds like we both have exciting plans for 2026.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. I think 2026 is going to be a great year.
I agree. Let's make it our best year yet.
And that is how you can have a natural conversation about your future plans in English.
Now it's your turn again. We'll guide you step by step to build your own 2026 plan in English.
Say this sentence and complete it with your own words. I'm going to.
Next, I'm planning to.
And one more. I'm hoping to.
Now try to put them together in one short speech. For example, I'm going to study English every day. I'm planning to travel in the summer. I'm hoping to get a better job.
Pause the video and say your own 3-sentence mini speech about 2026. Well done!
Let's quickly recap what you learned today.
You learned how to use going to for strong, decided plans.
You learned planning to for plans you're organizing.
And you learned hoping to, want to, for dreams and wishes that are not 100% certain.
You also learned how to ask about plans. What are your plans for 2026? Do you have any plans for the new year?
We looked at common mistakes and we learned useful words like resolution, goal, aim, intend, determined, considering, looking forward to.
We also practiced a full conversation plus guided speaking.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
The question is, what is one plan or goal you have for 2026?
Tell us in the comments using today's phrases. You can start your comment like this: I'm going to, I'm planning to, I'm hoping to.
For example, I'm going to improve my English. I'm planning to travel to a new country. I'm hoping to get my dream job.
It can be any kind of goal: study, work, health, money, family, or hobbies.
Don't be shy. Writing in English is great practice, and your comment might inspire other learners too.
If you watched until this point, write the word 2026 ready in your comment so we know you finished the lesson.
Before we go, here's what's coming next on Just Say English. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss it.
If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little bit every day. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have an amazing 2026 full of success, happiness, and better English.
From both of us here at Just Say English,
Keep learning,
keep practicing.
and see you next time. Goodbye.